Only 1% of students score full marks in this excretory system quiz. Let's see if you can. Question number 1. Which organ is the main functional unit that filters blood to form urine? The correct answer is option A, nephron. Explanation: nephrons in kidneys are the microscopic units that filter blood and produce urine. Where does glomerular filtration occur? Right answer is option B, in the renal glomerulus within Bowman's capsule. Blood is filtered in the glomerulus, filtrate collects in Bowman's capsule. Which part of the nephron is primarily responsible for reabsorption of glucose, amino acids, and most ions? Right answer is option A, proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule reabsorbs most filtered glucose, amino acids, and ions via active and passive transport. Which hormone increases water reabsorption in the collecting ducts by making them more permeable to water? Right answer is option B, antidiuretic hormone vasopressin. Antidiuretic hormone inserts aquaporin channels into collecting duct epithelium, increasing water reabsorption. Aldosterone primarily acts on the kidney to increase reabsorption of which ion? Right answer is option B, sodium Na+. Aldosterone increases Na plus reabsorption and K plus secretion in DCT or collecting duct. Which structure carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder? Right answer is option B, ureter. Each kidney drains urine via a ureter into the urinary bladder. Which of the following is not normally found in urine? The correct answer is option B, glucose. Glucose is normally reabsorbed fully by PCT. Its presence indicates glycosuria, example diabetes. What is the functional consequence of a decrease in glomerular filtration rate GFR? Right answer is option B, reduced clearance of waste from blood. Lower GFR means less plasma is filtered per minute, so waste clears more slowly. Which portion of the nephron creates the medullary osmotic gradient critical for concentrating urine? Right answer is option B, loop of Henle, especially the descending and ascending limbs. Countercurrent multiplier action of loop of Henle establishes the osmotic gradient. Which segment is permeable to water but impermeable to NaCl, concentrating the filtrate? Right answer is option B, descending limb of loop of Henle. Descending limb in water permeable and allows water loss, concentrating filtrate. Which process happens mainly by bulk flow driven by blood pressure across glomerular capillaries? Right answer is option B, glomerular filtration. Filtration depends on hydrostatic pressure forcing plasma through filtration barrier. Which of the following increases urine volume? Diuresis. Right answer is option B, drinking large volume of water with low ADH. Low ADH leads to less permeable collecting ducts resulting in dilute larger volume urine. Which structure stores urine until micturition? Right answer is option B, urinary bladder. Bladder stores urine, stretch receptors, trigger micturition reflex. What is the primary nitrogenous waste product in human urine? Right answer is option B, urea. Urea produced in liver from amino acid breakdown is the main nitrogenous waste. Which part of the nephron secretes ions, example H plus K plus, into the tubular fluid to regulate pH and K plus balance? Right answer is option B, distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. Distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct perform fine-tuning H plus and K plus secretion and acid-base balance. Which condition is characterized by inability of kidneys to concentrate urine and results in production of large volumes of dilute urine due to ADH deficiency or receptor insensitivity? Right answer is option B, diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus involves ADH deficiency, central or receptor failure, nephrogenic, urine output, polyuria. Which of the following is the main force favoring filtration at the glomerulus? Right answer is option B, glomerular capillary hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure of glomerular blood forces fluid into Bowman's space. Which diagnostic procedure directly replaces kidney function by filtering a patient's blood outside the body? Right answer is option A, dialysis or hemodialysis. Hemodialysis filters blood across a semi-permeable membrane to remove waste and excess fluid. Which enzyme produced by the kidney helps regulate blood pressure by converting angiotensinogen to angiotensin I? Right answer is option A, renin. Renin initiates RAS, affecting blood pressure and Na plus balance. Which hormone produced by the kidney stimulates red blood cell production in bone marrow? Right answer is option B, erythropoietin EPO. Kidneys secrete EPO in response to hypoxia to stimulate erythropoiesis. If a person is severely dehydrated, which change would you expect in urine? The correct answer is option B, decreased volume and increased osmolarity, more concentrated. When ADH is released, it signals the kidneys to reabsorb more water, leading to more concentrated urine and a lower total volume of urine produced. Which structure forms the final site of urine modification and determines final urine composition before excretion? Correct answer is option B, collecting duct. Collecting duct fine-tunes water and urea handling under hormonal control for final urine. Which term describes the reflex contraction of the detrusor muscle and relaxation of the internal urethral sphincter triggered when bladder is full? Right answer is option B, micturition reflex. Stretch receptors in bladder trigger parasympathetic micturition reflex to void urine. Which of the following increases sodium reabsorption and thereby increases blood volume and pressure? Right answer is option B, aldosterone. Aldosterone promotes Na plus reabsorption and water retention. ANP opposes this. Which of the following best describes tubular secretion? Right answer is option A, movement of substances from blood into nephron lumen tubule. Tubular secretion transfers substances, example H plus K plus drugs, from peritubular capillary blood into tubular fluid. That's the wrap. How many answers did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and hit subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.